Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello friends, myself Poonam Namdev Saroda. I am from ZIL Polytechnic Pune, first year in Electrical Engineering, Division G, roll number 6. We are made by the micro project of chemistry. Our project is prepared chart showing percentage, composition, properties, industrial application of different types of alloy. Our project's guides names Professor Palve ma'am and Professor Rupali Mehtre ma'am. ग्रुप डिटेल्स पूनम सरोदे, यशवंत गड्डे, प्रतीक जोंधळे, अभिषेक सिरसाट, श्रुती पांचा. प्रोजेक्ट इंडेक्स, प्रोजेक्ट अब्स्ट्रॅक्ट, कंटेंट, कन्क्लूजन, वीकली प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट, रिसोर्स यूज. Project abstract. Alloy steels have a wide range of special properties such as hardness, toughness, corrosion resistance, magnesiality, and ductility. Non-ferrous alloys, mainly copper, nickel, bronze, and aluminum alloys, and much used in a coinage. Introduction. Alloy steels is a types of steel alloy with several elements such as molybdenum, manganese, nickel, chromium, vanadium, silicon, and boron. These alloying elements are added to increase strength, hardness, wear resistance, and toughness. The amounts of alloying elements may vary between 1 and 50%. Conclusion. The Intermetallic Alloy Development Program at ORNL has contributed significantly to the understanding of intermetallic materials and processing technology. The program has been characterized by outstanding research and effective coordination between basic and applied research organizations. More important, extensive integration between ORNL and industrial participants interested in the chemical applications of intermetallic alloys have led to development of critical alloy composition and processing methods. The lesson learned from the development of Ni3Al alloys and process can provide general guidelines to OIT in the implementation of the IOF strategy thought out the OIT program to conclusion and recommendation discussed in this chapter are primarily applicable to OIT sponsored intermetallic alloy projects and reflect the goals and vision of the OIT MIM program, i.e. to support steel properties, processing, and application. Alloy steel is a class of steel that in addition to carbon is alloyed with other elements ranging from 1% to 58%, which are used to enhance to materials various properties. Titanium, tungsten, tin, zinc, lead, and zirconium. Both typically have a superior mechanical properties in comparison to carbon steel. Properties of alloy steel. Alloy steels can contain a wide variety of elements, each of which can enhance various properties of the material such as mechanical, thermal, and corrosion resistance. Elements added low quantities of less than around 5% tend to improve mechanical properties. For example, increases hardness, malleability, and strength, where areas larger addition of up to 20% increases corrosion resistance and stability. At high or low resistance, the effects of adding various elements to steel along with the typical amounts in weight fraction summarized in the table below. Showing this table. Increases strength while maintaining ductility, promotes fine grain structure overall in comparison to carbon steel. Alloy steel can exhibit increased strength, ductility, and toughness. The disadvantage, however, the alloy steels usually have a lower mechanability, weldability, and formality. Production and processing. The alloy steel processing methods of alloy steel depends on the desired results. The required combination and elements first methods together in reference over 1600 degrees Celsius for 8 to 12 hours. The steel is then annealed and at over 500 degrees Celsius in order to remove impurities and to alter the physical and chemical properties. Next, mill skill, which results from the annealing process, is removed from the surface the steel with hydrochloric acid before repeating the annealing and descaling process. Finally, the steel is melted and cast into the rolling and shaping into final form. Application and example. As the term alloy steel encompasses numbers, types of steels, its application area is broad. Low alloy steels are used in a wide range of industries due to their extreme strength, mechanability, cost, effectiveness, and availability. They are found of military vehicles, construction equipment, ships, pipelines, pressure vessels, oil drilling platforms, and in structural components. Examples include HY18 and HY100. High alloy steels can be expensive to manufacture and difficult to process. Nevertheless, their superior hardness, toughness, and corrosion resistance make them ideal for structural components, automotive application, chemical processing, and power generating equipment. Examples of high alloy steels include the grades HE, HF, HH, HI, HK, and HL. Source are Illidot Cast Iron Technology, Butterworths 1988 P1. Quick fact: alloy steels are made by combining carbon steel with one several alloying elements such as magnesium, silicon, nickel, titanium, copper, chromium, and aluminium. Research use mobile chrome frames. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.